watch you slip from my fingertips. Try to find the words but can't move my lips. I know you know what I'm trying to say, but that doesn't make me feel more okay. I never thought it'd be as hard as this, but I guess that's life, it is what it is. And I'm here now in a cold abyss as I look for something to replace your kiss. Can you see me now from up in the clouds, or am I seeing shapes again? I don't know, I'm always second guessing, now you're not at home. I hope you're welcome there, I hope you're not alone. But are you even there, or in the underworld? You always joked we'd go there together, and now we're waiting for judgment, but it couldn't come slower, and I'll be waiting forever. Weekends into months, it all blends together. I'm spilling time, and when you knew you're cute, you said you saw the sign. I hope the light was clear, but you've taken mine.